Right, we're going to try and do a video to explain how to fit these Velux or Velux automatic remote control window blinds. It says in the instructions to determine which type of window you have, to look at the label. When you open the window, there's a label there on the top, and on this one it says Velux Integra. So that's the kind we've got. It's an automatic window, and it's going to be an automatic blind, remote control should I say. So I've done 3, which have been quite simple, but the instructions aren't that brilliant. So what I'm going to do is show you how I fit the last one. So opening the box, it's just got a tear thing on the side of it. So you basically pull that all the way down, easy peasy, but each end's got a fastener on it. So tear it open, bit of sellotape on each end. So in the box you've got the actual blind, 2 runners and a box full of goodies. In the box full of goodies you'll discard most of it, because all you need is the remote. There's a screwdriver, it comes, you have to assemble a screwdriver. It's Torx bit in the end. You put that together, but I'm cheating and using my Bosch drill with the same bit in the end, so it's a lot easier. So first, just take the polystyrene off the end of there. These red guides, the clips, they stay in place. So basically there's 2 runners inside here, and they've just got a bit of cellophane on the end, so you just have to pull that off, and then you're ready to go. You just need a packet of screws which come in the box. I'll show you them. These are the instructions. Right, you do not need this bit. So that bit with all the bump in it, you don't need that. So put that to one side. This bit is a guide for a drill if you fit in a different kind of system, so you don't need that. So put that to one side. There's a cable in the pack as well, that's for a different model, you don't need that. So all you need is the remote. That is for fixing the remote control that to the wall, so we'll need that at a later stage. The batteries to go in the remote. There's a drill bit that comes for fixing it through that. That's what that is, it's just a guide drill. You don't need the drill bit, you just need this pack of screws. That's for screwing these rails. When the whole thing's assembled, it clips together, but you put the screws in to hold it together in these 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 each side, 6 screws all together. These clips here, there's 2 clips that are fastened together. They are for the guide at the bottom of the sliders. So basically, if you look at the window, the blind mechanism fits across the top here. The sliders go down there, and these 2 locators go in each corner at the bottom. And on the instructions it's quite clear where they fix. But I was quite confused on the instructions that it gives too much information. It's unnecessary, that's why I'm doing this video. So basically, what we do first is I'm going to go up and fit these in the corners with the screws provided. I'll pass you over to my assistant so she can show me doing that. Just need to get the steps.
Do you want them this way?
Turn them all the way around, 180. That's it. Just put them dead centre of the window. Should be fine, yeah. So make sure your steps are on a nice even surface, obviously. Just open a sec. So we'll get that out of the way. foot there so I don't trip over it. Okay, right, we're going to fit those two brackets in the bottom corners here. So hopefully you can get a good shot of that from over there. Just bear with me for a second. Tip. Right, they've got little tags on. The tags are removable afterwards. They're just a guide for when you're fitting them. So the hole, it actually fixes. There's only two ways it can go. One's a wrong way, one's a right way. The hole, it fixes through to the side. So that one goes in there. You can't go wrong. It just slots in.
Hold that to go quick.
What?
You can't see.
Well, if you go back, you're not getting blinded. Step back a bit. That's fine. So you just offer that bit up to there. Screw it in and break the tag off. That's the tag. Don't need it. Bin it. And the same on the other side. Obviously that fixes to the other side. Right, so those two locators are in place, dead easy. Take all the plastic tags off and that's it. This is the main unit. It's at the top at that end. It's got two mitered bits on. So I'm just relocating myself on the steps. This unit goes up that way. But the electrical connection on the end slots into a little bit here. You'll be able to see it clearer on the instructions. A little cover that you remove. Thus, bin it. You don't need that anymore. So this bit with these two brass connections. This bit with the two brass connections goes into here. You'll see that there's two little runners in there. So basically, it all just clips in. You offer it up. There's only one way it'll go. That all clips in place. Piece of polystyrene in there that I should have removed before. Binning that. And these plastic bits, they stay in until you've got it all in. Don't remove them yet. So that's in place, that's solid. The electrical connector's in there, so that's all solid all together. I'll show you a bit closer there. So that is all solid in, but the two mitered bits, one at each end, the runners that fit along here, they've got mitered bits at the top as well. So it clicks in at the top and locates onto this wheel, this cog. It all clips in there, which is quite self-explanatory once you get it up there. And then the bottom end just clicks in there and you screw in here. So we'll show you how to do that.